Okay, as you might be able to see, this could pose a problem. I don't know if you can see, yeah, see the bird. He's inside my fireplace. And now both of my cats have taken notice. So we'll just see what happens. I'm gonna open the door to at least to give the poor little guy a fighting chance, especially against Abby. She's quite a hunter. This could get ugly. Viewer discretion is advised. Let me just open the door over here so I don't get PETA on my ass. I hate birds, I really do. Alright guys, get out of the way. Get out of the way. Go. I don't want either of you to get to him before he at least has a chance to get out of here. Alright, the way this thing works, stay away. Back up, both of you. Abby, knock it off. Alright. Go. I know, buddy. I know you want out. Alright, the way this baby works is I just go like this. Shit. I just go like this and... Alright, dude! Come on! Get your ass out of here! Go! Go! Come on! Okay. Oh, he just went under the dresser. Ah, shit. Abby! No, Abby, no. Abby, leave him alone. Leave him alone. It's all right, little buddy. It's all right. Abby, stop. Stop. Shit, now I don't know what to do. Oh, poor little guy. Aha! I win, I think. Check it out. I actually caught him. Did you believe that? I caught this guy. Now I'm afraid he might be a little too hurt. I don't know how long he's been in there. He's got a strong heartbeat. I can definitely feel that. Seems like he's a little too calm. Maybe he's just exhausted. I just take him downstairs so he doesn't have to bounce down the balcony. Hope you make it, buddy, because you're the only bird I've ever saved. This is a little different. All right, now. And there he goes. Sweet.